Swatching watercolors is a super meditative go-to exercise for me to get to know my paints and see how far I can stretch them. In this video, I'll be working with the Mijello Mission Gold 34 set to swatch out a reference sheet. Let's get right in it. Okay, so I've rearranged my desk a little to kind of show you everything that's going on here. I have my, I don't need a pencil. I have my swatch sheet ready to go. I've got a jar of clean water. I have my palette. I have my brush. I think I'm ready to start going. And so for this first color, this lemon yellow, I'm actually going to refresh my palette with this lemon yellow because that's not a pure lemon yellow that's in my palette right now. And normally that doesn't bother me, but for the sake of this video and for my swatch sheet, I want that to be a perfect lemon yellow. So I'm just going to put a little dab-a-doo-ya right there. Okay, so for each color, what I'm gonna do is come in full saturation and then dilute it down a little at a time. So let's get right to it. Full saturation on my brush here. Okay. Paint this right in here. I'm going right next to the line, not all the way on the line. I'll probably end up erasing my lines. I don't know. So that's my full saturation. I'm gonna dip my brush into the water. 1, 2, and wipe it on the side just a little. So get it a little lighter. And the same thing again. 1, 2. Wipe it on the side. We're going lighter, and this one I want to go almost as light as possible for this last one. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and you may not even be able to see it on camera. I can hardly see it on the paper. I'm going to pull some of that drip there. Okay, so that's lemon yellow. Clean my brush. Now I'm going into my permanent yellow light. This is one of the things I love about these Mission Gold watercolors. I've not pre-wet my palette. I'm just coming in with a wet brush, and you're seeing how easily it just reactivates. So this is the, what was this? Permanent yellow light. So it's a little more mustard color than that lemon yellow. I'm gonna dip my brush 1, 2, wipe it on the side. Nope, that was too much. I'm gonna pick up some more of this. Too much. 1. There we go. One, 2. And then the lightest wash. Can barely see it. All right, wash my brush again, come back over here for the permanent yellow. Get a good load of that on my brush. Permanent yellow deep, I'm sorry. Okay, dip my brush. 1, 2. Swipe it on the side. Now you could divide your page up with washi tape and then pull off the washi tape when you're done, but I don't mind it not being perfect squares. Okay. I'm gonna go one more dip into the pool. My lightest wash. Let's see if we can even see it. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat this all the way throughout. Okay, so my swatches are mostly dry now. couple of thoughts I'll share after I go through and write the name. It's almost all the way dry. This one looks a little wet, so I gotta be careful when I get on that side. But I wanna go ahead and label it while I have everything out. So I have a paper towel that I'm gonna rest my hand on as I write so that if things are damp, I don't smudge it all to pieces. And I'm just gonna go through and write the names of each color. Okay, so here are all of the swatches from the 34 set Mission Gold series watercolors. I'll probably end up going back and fixing this guy where it wasn't all the way dry. If I were doing this again, I would probably just do it in three values: strong, middle, and lightest, because a lot of these there's not a lot of difference between my step 3 and 4, especially here with the red violet, the cerulean blue. So you know, it's a good exercise, it's a good practice to go from full value to lightest value. And now I have something pretty to stick on my wall as a quick reference for my watercolor painting. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Give this a try with your own watercolor set, no matter what your watercolor set is. If you're considering buying the Mission Gold set, I'll put a link down in my description where you can buy that. I love this set. It's great. I'll work with it more to show you guys how the colors mix and get some of that granulation that I was talking about earlier. Yeah, so that's it. Have at it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, comment, click the like button, let me know you liked it, so I can make more for you. Goodbye for now.